Alright, what is this? Water impersonates Jake.
If Jake was here, he would have made us go to the mall. Exactly. He's like, this weather, this rain, oh my god, my toes are not gonna be clean. Let's just go to the mall and get matcha. Let's just get some matcha.
Dude, I don't even talk like that.
Can I have oat milk? Can I just change the oat milk to the matcha? Cause you know I can't drink milk. Sorry, Jake, if he's here.
Guys, I don't even talk like that, okay? And I am lactose. Of course I have to change oat milk. What's the big deal? Guys?